I was talking to somebody the other day and they asked me, how did I come up with my Facebook group name, Walking in Peace? And I explained to them that it literally just came to me, but there's a story behind it. You see, for 30 years, I've battled off and on with codependency, anxiety, depression, and addiction, making bad decisions, riding on that emotional roller coaster all the time, trying to get attention and not feeling loved and not being secure with who I am. But I finally healed mentally, physically, and emotionally when I learned certain techniques and when I surrendered my life to Jesus. So for the last 6 years, I've been truly confident in my identity in Christ and who I am. So peace just identifies with that and that feeling within. So I just ran with it. I wonder if you are aware that not knowing ourselves and our values causes us to make unwise decisions and establish unhealthy boundaries in our relationships, careers, spirituality, health, and even our finances. We let people walk all over us. We make wrong decisions in dating or choosing our spouse. We rely on people for approval or happiness, and we neglect to daily commit to our Creator. We eat unhealthy foods, and we work at a job that we don't even really enjoy. And we allow the titles in life to define us. All this because we are not owning who we are, and we truly don't know ourselves. This then results in taking our frustrations out on our children, our spouse, being inactive, maybe binge watching TV, feeling unattractive, maybe losing sleep, waking up groggy, and what about those dark circles under our eyes? Fact is, we need to know ourselves, and it will not work unless we are truly grounded in who we are. You see, I used to battle with most of these because I didn't know who I was. But once I decided to navigate into my habits, the reasons, and focus on the resolutions and use my source Jesus as a weapon, I began to walk in peace and walk in freedom every day. I want to ask you a question. What is it costing you to not know yourself? I have created a workshop that will change your life for the better because you're going to get to truly know yourself. You're going to learn how to identify how you're perceiving yourself, what you're attracting yourself to, how your self-esteem is contributing to your identity now, and what the ideal state is. You'll learn 4 types of values, what values are most important to you, and how they contribute to your decision making. And I'm even going to throw in a value assessment as well. After this workshop, you will have a clear understanding of your perceptions of yourself, what values force your decisions, and you're certainly going to be empowered with your decisions and understand the difference of what limits you and liberates you. The workshop will be on Zoom on December 12th at 9 a.m. PST, and it is only $50. December 9th, the price will increase to $100. If you are unable to make it at that time, purchase now and get the replay to watch when you're able. Click the secured link below, and I'll see you there.